Hello everybody, so today we have a pretty nice car which is a Volkswagen Amarok. This is 2014 year made. We're gonna do a chip tuning, only chip tuning. We're not gonna touch anything else, not the AdBlue, not the DPF, not the stuff like, not the AJR, nothing. We're gonna use this professional tool, and then we have an electronic control unit here. So it's pretty easy to connect it. This is, I think so, it's EDC17. And yeah, what's interesting about that car, we already connected with the diagnostics, so we see then what kind of system it is. We see that it's a 2.0 liter TDI engine with 103 kilowatts on it. The engine code is a CNFB, so that means diagnostic recognize the code via through the electronic control unit. And the same, the engine control unit on the VAC group on the Volkswagen cars. It's pretty easy to find. If this cover is safe and nothing is being scratched off, the code is there. Look, it's Motorkennbuchstaben. It's CNF. It's missing the last letter, but it doesn't matter as long as it says CNF, so that means the engine code is correct one. We have a 1 turbo. With this car is very interesting, then these model have to be as well 2.0 TDI B-turbo, which means you have 2 turbos, and that power is boosted up to the 163 horsepower. This one got only 138, so basically close to the 140 horsepower, 103 kilowatts on it. So this system is common rail. And before this one, the first Amarok been made even with only 90 kilowatts on it. The first modules, they finished in 2012, and after 2012 we made basically all Amarok have as minimum 103 kilowatts. So we're gonna do a stage 1 chip tuning, and we see how much power we can get out from this beast. So I think so. Car is pretty nice in these snowy roads and bumpy roads where it can go through all fields and stuff like that, but the power definitely is a little bit not enough. So we need just a stage 1, just a fraction, a little bit more, so we can push more and go in even snowy roads in. So let's go ahead and start a job. First of all, I already been in the DTCs, so let's go ahead and do it again. So we need to switch on ignition. So, as you can see, after diagnostic we can see there's no fault codes into the ECU, electronic control unit, so that means everything is safe to be done. So what can I say, this video have to be boring actually, because we're not gonna do a bench read of electronic control unit, EDC17C54. We just do everything in the OBD mode, basically through the OBD port. And what can I say, we're doing a stage 1, so now we're writing the file in. So as you can see, it's uploading data, flashing ECU, updating checksums, and checksum of block 60 have been corrected. That's because we changed the stage 1 file. And then what we need to do is ECU need to be unlocked, because it says it's not yet unlocked. Then it unlocks ECU for OBD write, then it's erasing and flashing the blocks. As you can see, we have a percentage, just sit and wait. So basically nothing is interesting. Only then, like I said, it's 2.0 TDI engine. And yeah, basically this engine is made from the 2010 year. It's a Bosch EDC17C54. And DC1797 is a microcontroller. So, in this point, what can I say? This type of cars can be flashed through a OBD port using the original file and just modified it. So do a good stage 1 to lift the power up and go for a power test into the field. So I think so in this point we say thanks for watching, and you can do your Amarok pretty easy through the OBD port, no problem. See you in the next video. Sorry guys, I did forget to tell how much did we get. So actually, yeah, I got just on the road and so good. You don't need the dyno stand to test it. Without the dyno you can feel definitely. Look, we have diesel engines like I said, and our version is this one. It's 140 horsepower. So let's click on that and look what we have actually. Then you can see before the tuning we had just 140 horsepower, 320 Newton meters. After tuning, 185 horsepower and 420 Newton meters. Look, it's plus 45 horsepower and plus 100 Newton meters. Look on that. Can you imagine this? It's just perfect. It's just perfect. So let's go on road. I love that car. So you can, before the tune, you like a pressure pedal. Yes, it's Amarok. It's actually pretty big and heavy car, and then it's actually not that heavy. But anyway, it's not so you know, it's not so easy to drive when your car cannot pull you on the road. So in this point, it's just perfect. Look, I have the sliding system on all the time. Look, I put that in the 3 gear, just make the down speed. I press it down and I can feel it. You have to feel, look how it's going. I did not film it how it was before, but definitely the power is so good and so nice in this winter time. Definitely this car can do any bumpy roads and heavy roads. So thanks for watching, and definitely see you in the next video now. Bye.